What's up, everybody? Your boy, Mr. Dynamics FX, the one and only Mr. Do Good. I'm back again with another one. So today we're checking GBP USD. Before we go straight into it, guys, please subscribe, turn on the notification button, and like the video. Also share the video, guys. So let's go straight into it, guys. So as you can see here, guys, we have this beautiful uh uptrend. We have this ascending channel that we're going to identify, and then we have this. Yes, put it in this way. So we have ascending channel, right? You can call it an expanding ascending channel. Why is that? Because you can clearly see the market is just expanding. The channel is continue to expand. All right, so we have the first touch, which is this one, the second touch, and the third touch. So meaning we are going down to this point right now. Do you understand that? So what I find so interesting in this pair, we also have what? We have the reversal also inside this channel, which is this one. Identify here. All right. So which automatically tells us that the market is going down. All right, guys. So this is what we have. So I want us to go deeper and then identify the strong zone. So we have this zone here, guys. We have this zone here. Right. I said when a market, you remember, the market went up here, right? It tend to what? This zone tend to a resistance. Why did the market tend to a resistance or the zone, not the market, the zone? The market rejected here and then makes this area what? A resistance because the market wasn't able to break up, but it rejected. So we call it what? A resistance. So the market broke the resistance, right? It went up. So when the market comes back here, it tends to what? The zone tends to a support, right? Then it went up again, and then it went down. We're expecting the market because now we are buying on a support to are selling on a resistance. Since the market was pushing down to this support, we're expecting the market to push up, right? But then the market decided to what? To break this zone, which confirms that, okay, we are continuing down with the movement now, which confirms that we might be coming back here and then continue with the movement going down. Do you understand that, guys? I hope you understand that, guys. So on the bigger channel, right, we have our 90% zone or the 90% area that need to be completed. On the bigger channel, the market must come down until to this area. On the smaller channel, the market must come down until to this area. You understand? So let's go to H4 and see what H4 has for us. So when we get to H4, I want us to adjust it a little bit because not too much. Yes. So in H4, we can actually see the market is already broke inside, which is this strong area, right? You can clearly see here, the market has already retested the level. If you can check closely, the market is already pushed up to this area. Now it's currently going down. So how are we going to take our trade on this one here, guys? That is the question. How are we going to take the trade here? So guys, we're going to take the trade from this zone. Also, this area, do you see this zone here? We can take a trade from this zone. The market here, the zone tend to be what? A resistance, then it went up, tend to a support. So it makes what? A strong area. So it's a strong zone. So what might happen to this area? We're going to wait for the market to actually break this zone, come back to retest it here, and then we take our sell. We continue down with the movement. I hope you understand each other. Right. So how can we take a trade from this area? We're going to wait for the market. The market might be reactive on this area. So there are two things that we're going to be waiting for in this area. Remember, it's a strong zone. It was a resistance, tend to a support, make it what? A strong zone. So when the market might come back here, then it's very, very important, guys, to know confirmations. You don't just buy the market without a confirmation. You need to buy the market with a confirmation. You understand? When we ask you why did you take the trade from this zone, then you're gonna tell us no, the market created such pattern. The market gave us this kind of a candlestick. So it's very, very important to know the continuation, the patterns, to know the confirmations, right? So the market might come to this area and then push up to this zone again to retest it fully this time around, and then push and continue down with what? With the movement. Remember, we have already analyzed on a daily time frame that the market is going down. So this can be your first TP on this trend line, something like this. Do you understand that? Or I want you guys to be reactive, right? And not be predictive. You understand? So you can predict it, but even if you can predict the market, but you need to be reactive also. Right now we're predicting it, but when it's time to take a trade, we need to be also be reactive and accept what the market gives us. So if the market pushes down like this, then we can have an entry point, because like I said, you sell on a resistance. This zone, this zone is a resistance. That is why I'm selling it. That is why I'm saying you're gonna sell it. You cannot sell the market here, guys. Here, tell me where is the resistance here? Where is the resistance here? We have our major resistance here. This is our major resistance, our strong zone. This is our resistance. If the market comes back again to this point, then we know we're gonna what? We're gonna sell the market here and then continue to go down. You cannot sell the market anywhere. You cannot sell the market on a support. You cannot buy a market on a resistance. You cannot buy the market in this area. You buy the market above this area. Do you understand, guys? So if you want to sell the market, we're going to wait for the market to actually break, give us a retest there, then we take the trade and then we go down. We just hold it. We hold it. Look, guys, you are going far. You are going far. Far. This is gonna be your first TP. And then after it breaks, you continue with the movement until after it breaks that, you continue with the movement. So there's a long way to go, guys, in this opportunity. Right. So the most important thing, a lot of people they're struggling with entries. Right. So if you want to learn more about entries, guys, you know where to find me. You know where to find me. The mentorship is available. It's available, guys. So here, if the market gives us, if the market it happens, it pushes up. Just wait for the like I would like what I'm gonna advise you guys, wait for the market, right? If the market decides to push up, wait for it to come into here again and then sell the market. If the market decide to break up, break out there, wait for the market to retest there and sell. What we're looking for here is to sell the market here or sell the market here. That's it. Right. Let's go to the next pair. So on the next pair, we have our beautiful USDCAD. Right. So let's go to a daily time frame so that we can see clearly. Um, let's try to remove it so that I can start rising it again. So in this area, we have this zone, guys. This one is our strong area. Let's to identify it. Here, this is our strong zone. And then we're going to identify also this strong, let's use this one. This is our strong support, which is this area here. Right. So what type of a market is this one? This one is a sideways market. You can call it, it's consolidating, right? So it's a sideways market. The market is just moving up like this, meaning if the market can push up to this point, we expect the market to come down. If it comes to this point, we expect to buy the market also. So it's moving sideways. Right. So there's something that the market has done here, which is very, very interesting. Do you understand that? So since you see the market here, it's an uptrend and it hasn't gave us what? A pullback. Right. The market created what? It created this double bottom here, which made to push up. Right. So we have also this zone that we're going to identify here. It's a strong area, just this area. Right. The market was a resistance here. The market rejected, which made this zone a resistance. Then it broke uh, out, right? Came back here to retest this level, which make the zone a support now. Came back again to retest it, pushed up, broke out, retested this level, meaning this level is so strong. The market must come to, it must be reactive on this zone. Do you understand that? So when the market pushed up, we are expecting the market uh, somewhere here to push back to this area so that we can continue with the movement. But the market didn't do that. It happens. So how can we check this market and how can we take a trade here? So we also have this zone that we're going to identify. You see this area, which is very, very interesting. The market wasn't able to break. It got rejected, also rejected, makes this level what? A strong resistance, meaning we are selling here. So as you can see, when the market came to this area, the market pushed down. It came back for the second time, the market pushed down. So we expect the market to also what? Push down here to give us a push down and then we push up and we continue with the movement of this is going to be our TP here. Right. I think I explained this last time that when a market breaks into a strong area, the market must come back to retest this level. So that something like this, like you see this one, it pushed in, it was supposed to come back and retest this level and then push down. But if you can see closely here, let's push it in. If you can see closely, the market didn't retest here. So now the market now is the time where it retested. So meaning it's gonna push down to this point and actually retest this level because also the market broke into a strong area, right? Which also the market didn't retest. So in this nature, the market is going to retest this zone, push down here, also retest this zone, and then what? Push up like this. I hope you do understand me, guys. A double bottom is an M pattern, something like this. This area, the market must come back to retest the neckline and then continue to push up the movement. So this is what we're expecting on this zone. So here, as you can see, it's an M pattern, it's a W pattern. We want the market to come back to retest this level and not and push up. So I please guys be cautious with this one and be very, very you understand, be conscious with this one, guys, and check it so that you can be profitable on this one. So as you can see, it's a daily time frame, guys. So we're gonna push down, we can make a lot of money on this one here. So let's go to H4 and see if we can find a type of entries. Already the market has created this pullback here, which continue the market, it pushes down. So we're gonna identify this zone here, which is our strong area, which is this one, guys. Here, so with the market can push down to this point, right? Come back here again and and retest this. So what we're looking for here, it's buys. The reason why you get so many losses is that you want to buy and sell on the same trend. How can you sell? How can you buy the market on a downtrend? You cannot. So at this point, like we have analyzed, the market is showing us that the market is selling, meaning the market has changed trade trends to what? To a sell. So what we're expecting what? Sells. What we're waiting for is sells only. So where can we sell the market? We can sell the market in this area, or we can sell the market when the market breaks the strong zone here and then retest it and then we push down. These are the two areas where we can sell the market. Let's go to H4, to H1 and see if we have to have another one. Let's go H4. One. All right, H1. So I want us to, please, let's remove this. We know it's our strong zone. So I want us to identify this zone here. Identify it like this. So how can you take, this is very, very uh, simple now. We can take the trade, it can push down like this, maybe to this kind of point. Just wait for a retest here, right? And then push down with the market. And then you're gonna see you can wait here because here um, we need to be very careful with this zone because it's a strong area here. The market can come here again, push up to retest this zone and then push down. Do you understand, guys? Do you understand that, guys? Because this one it's our strong area. So if you're a scalper, what I can advise you guys is that let's just wait for the market. You can even take it now here. Wait for the market, right, to push a little bit and come back to retest this, to give a proper retest on this level, and then continue with the movement. Even though the market can bounce a little bit, it might come back again here and then continue with the movement. So how can you take this one? Just with the market retest, take it here, then put your stop loss above this level, right? And then you aim down. This is gonna be your TP here. So something like this, guys. This is what we're waiting for. The market might come here, come back here, something like this, right? Or you can take it now, just wait for a retest here and here, and then put it here, but your stop loss must be here. So that even if the market decide to do this, let me say if the market decide to react on this one and actually push up, we're just gonna reject from this here, right? And then continue with the movement, something like this. So yeah, let's go to the last one. So let's a daily time frame. So we have this beautiful market. So we have what here? We have USD France. Yes. So a USD France, we have this beautiful descending channel, which is this one. Gonna identify it. Right. So in this nature, we can clearly see, so let's put it, this is the 90% rule here. So in this nature, we can clearly see the market touched 1, 2, and 3, then it pushed up, right? And then it went down again. So, but what I love about this market is that it created what? It created a double bottom, which is this area that we're going to identify right now. The market created a double what? Bottom. When the market creates a double bottom, that's a change of direction, meaning here it was going down, now it's going up, guys. So with this one, I am sure that we are going to push up until to that point to complete the 90%, meaning we are going up, guys, something like this. So right, now that we know the direction of the market, let's go on how can we get an entry from this. So let's check it. Let's go a little deeper. So here, it was a strong resistance, then turned to a support. This zone was strong. The market rejected, making this zone what? A resistance. It broke out. Because it was a strong area, the market must come back to retest this level. Then already retested this level. Now it's pushing up, right? And then we have this high volume area here. Why are we saying it's a high volume area? Because this pullback created this huge movement to the downside. So on this other hand, we might expect the market to give us a little bit of a rejection. We don't know how long, but because we have a double bottom, then we cannot push down to this point, but push a little bit here just to respect this level, because here, meaning the sellers or the bears had more power to push the market down. So if the comeback here, meaning this the bears are here. Do you understand? So they might give us a little bit push down, but because we created because the market created a double bottom, making it that the bulls that's where the bulls gain power. You do understand? A double bottom, it gives bulls power. Then a double top, it gives bearish power. So you might get a little rejection here and then actually break and continue with the movement. So meaning this is if we can take the market somewhere, this is gonna be what? This is gonna be your first TP here. So let's go and check. So I also see this level here. Do you see this pullback here? So we're gonna identify it, something like this. Nice. So already the market has broke this level. Remember, then the market broke out, came back to retest this level, turning this level to what? To a support. It pushed up, came back in again. The market came back here and it made what? An order block, guys. This is an order block. I explained a lot what is an order block. An order block is that one candlestick or an area where there's only one candlestick, the opposite candlestick among the others. So we have a bearish candlestick here among bullish candlesticks. So which confirms us, this zone is a very, very strong area. So what we're waiting for here is just for the market to push up, give us a retest, take our TP here. If it breaks, we wait for a retest, take our TP here. If it breaks, push up, wait for a retest, we continue with the movement. Something like this. Very, very simple. Just keep it simple, guys. Simplicity. So let's go to H4 because we want to get the trade. We want to make money, right? Beautiful. Beautiful. We want to make money here. So now currently the market is pushing up, as you can see. So we have no reason to sell the market here, to buy the market here, because the market isn't pushed. The market must clearly push, guys. It must push, give you a proper retest that you can see a 4 hour like candlestick, because retest on 4 hour, guys, they are so legit. I prefer them. Then I take entries from 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. But a retest, wait for a retest from a 4 hour candlestick. That one is legit. Do you understand? So at this point, the market is still pushing up, still bullish. Well, we want to, you cannot take you cannot enter a trade while the market is what? Is bullish and it has high momentum. So now the market is bullish like this. Do you understand? So we want what? We want a pullback. Wait for a candlestick over for H4 pullback and then go to 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes and take your entry. Then this is what, then you're gonna win the trade. Right now, just relax. Just relax. We must get a pullback similar to this one or similar to this kind of pullbacks. Understand? Yeah. Just let's wait for it to push up and then pull back. It is gonna come back because this one, it's a strong error. It will pull back. Right. Your boy, Mr. Dynamics FX. Thank you for choosing my channel. Thank you for watching the video. And please, guys, do what I'm telling you, and then I'm telling you, you're gonna be a very profitable trader. Please, guys, if you want to learn more about this and you want a mentorship, all right, you can come through. We have a lifetime mentorship. It's very, very available, guys. Your boy, Mr. Dynamics FX. God bless you.